What's going on? What is this?
Hello, Mr. Russell. I want to play a game. For these past few weeks, you've been teaching your students about linear equation, rate of change, slope, intercept, but you've forgotten one very important detail. Vertical and horizontal lines. Can you write the equation of a vertical or horizontal line? 3 minutes. Show your worth to your students and to yourself.
Okay, it's go time. What do we start with? Slope. What's the definition of slope? We have rise over run. Now allow me to show this graphically. So I have a line up and to the right, so that means I go rise over run to the right, so I have positive slope. I draw another line down and to the right. So what do? I go rise over run to the left, that means I have negative slope. Alright, so now it's time for me to draw a horizontal line and see what we can do with that. Alright, rise over run, right? Let's start with our rise. Wait a minute. There's no rise. There's no steepness. Oh my gosh, okay. Allow me to show a different way. Algebraically, so we know m equals what? Change in y over change in x. What that means is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. But if we look up here at this graph of a horizontal line, what do we have? We have no change in y, no vertical change. So it's 0 over x2 minus x1. And look what we have. We have a fraction with a 0 in the numerator. What does that have to equal? 0. Because we know any fraction with a 0 in the numerator equals 0, right? Like, for example, 0 over 5. What does that equal? 0. How about, I don't know, 0 over 100? What does that equal? 0. Alright, now let's try to put together this equation of a line. Y equals mx plus b. So what do we say m is? Is 0. So just plug that in. So y equals 0 times x plus b. And what do we have? What's 0 times x? Anything times 0 is 0, right? So what are we left with? Y equals b. Y intercept. So y equals b. That is our equation for a horizontal line. Boom, we got it.
Taking your time, I see.
No, I'm almost finished. Alright, now time to show the equation of a vertical line. Let me draw it first. There we go. Let's try to do this graphically. So I'll say rise over run, right? So rise and over... Wait, no run. There's no change in horizontal. Oh, I gotta show this one algebraically as well. So m equals what? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So like I said, there's no change in horizontal. So again, we're gonna have y2 minus y1 over 0 on the bottom. But look, no, we can't do this. You cannot have 0 in the denominator. You cannot divide by 0, you see? See what happens last time somebody divided by 0? Good job, mate. No, never. So like, that just shows our slope is undefined here. So what can we do? Think about what we did last time for the horizontal line. Let's look. Y equals the y-intercept, because the horizontal line is a straight, flat line with no steepness that only crosses the y-axis. So let's take that knowledge and apply it up here with the vertical line. So the vertical line must be what? Passing through the x-axis only. Thus making our equation here x equals a, where a is our x-intercept.
Here we go, horizontal, 0 slope, no steepness at all.
Undefined.